Do you know about this investment option? Here's some hints. It's a way to invest in a number of assets at one time. It's accessible to people who don't really know much about investing. You don't have to do much work because someone else chooses the investments for you. Can you guess what it is? I'm talking about mutual funds, also known as unit trusts. A mutual fund is like a big money pot. You can put your money in and invest a variety of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. The fund is managed by a professional who makes decisions about where to invest the money. When you invest in a mutual fund, you're buying shares of the fund. These shares represent your portion of the investments in the fund. As the value of the fund's investments grows, so does the value of your shares. Some mutual funds even pay dividends. So, what are the upsides of a mutual fund? Well, it can be a simple way to diversify your investments. Remember, it's a good idea to have your investments spread across different asset classes and industries, and mutual funds tend to do that. It's also good for people who might be overwhelmed when trying to figure out how to analyze the market, what stocks to buy, or when to sell. The fund manager is watching all of that for you, so they make those decisions on your behalf. On the downside, some mutual funds have high fees, so watch out for that. You also lose control because you're not the one making the decisions. And the return does tend to be on the conservative side because the risk is spread across all the assets. So if you're a conservative investor who doesn't mind a lower return, mutual funds may be for you. Of course, with every investment, there are risks. Fund managers can't guarantee profits. So if anyone says that they can, that's a red flag. There are different types of mutual funds. Stock funds invest mainly in stocks, bond funds invest mainly in bonds, and there are balanced funds which mix the two. There are even mutual funds that track a specific market index or an industry. So take a look at all the options out there. Mutual funds can be a great way to dip your toes into the investing pool without getting too overwhelmed. But of course, it's still important to learn how to invest so you can be involved and aware of how decisions are made and how they'll impact you and your money. Take my Investing for Beginners Masterclass to learn more. The sale ends on January 31, so don't miss out. Go to investingforbeginnersja.com to sign up. The link is in my bio and use the code NEWMONEY at checkout. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.